Hi, good morning. Good morning, first standard. Hope you enjoyed the first two videos that I sent you last week. I'm sure you'd have gone through the lessons, the pages. Now let us continue with the lesson. Before that, a quick recap. You saw about many naming words or nouns. You saw a word wall with lot of new words. Then you saw about a small clipping about nouns, a small video about nouns. What are nouns in India? Nouns are nothing but naming words. I also asked you to do an activity on nouns to find out all the naming words in your house. Let it be in your living room, bedroom, kitchen, or wherever it is. Many of you have sent it. Very good. Those who have not sent it, try. It's not a difficult thing. Those who can make sentences also orally and send me voice note. So that is naming words or nouns. Very simple. In grammar, naming words or nouns are nothing but places, animals, things, person, everything that is around you with a name is a naming word or noun. Okay. Now today we will proceed with the remaining part of the lesson. Okay. Yes. This is the next page that we are going to learn about the My Pet lesson. What happens in this page? Mullai meets her friends on the way. Okay, Mullai is now going. Now next she is going to meet her friends. Yaar avanga friends? Hey sweetie, meet my friends Ahmed and Andy. Okay, sweetie is that kid, that goat. Okay. She is meeting Ahmed and Andy. These two boys are her friends. Ahmed and Andy, now what are they going to say? Hi Mullai, says one person. Ha, who is this? Says the other boy. Okay, so Mullai now introduces her baby goat or kid. Baby goat is called kid. She says, this is Sweetie. She is a kid. She climbs and jumps. She eats grasses. She loves fruits. She eats bananas, leaves and roots. Understood? So she describes about her baby goat or kid. குட்டி ஆட்டுக்குட்டிக்கு பேர் தமிழில் ஆட்டுக்குட்டி, இங்கிலீஷில் பேபி கோட்டுக்கு பேர் கிட். ஓகே, அந்த கிட் என்னெல்லாம் பண்ணுமா? கிளைம்ஸ் அண்ட் ஜம்ப்ஸ், அவன் மேலே குதிக்கும். இட் வில் ஈட் கிராஸ், ஃப்ரூட்ஸ், பனானாஸ், லீவ்ஸ் அண்ட் ரூட்ஸ், பழம், புல், பனானா வாழைப்பழம், இலைகள், ரூட் வேர், இதெல்லாம் சாப்பிடுமா. ஓகே, தட் இஸ் ஹவு ஷி டிஸ்கிரைப்ஸ் ஹர் கோட். Then what happens? Now you can see the next page. Okay, Mullai and Sweetie walk along the farm they see. Okay, you all have to develop the habit of reading. Please, when you go through my lesson, see how I pronounce each and every word. Again and again you read with my lesson video. Mullai and Sweetie walk along the farm they see. Along the farm means what? There is a vayalveli, nelam. Anga they are walking. Mullai and Sweetie. Mullai that girl and Sweetie that baby goat. When they are walking, they are seeing certain things around. All these are naming words or nouns. What do they see? They are seeing one sun. How many suns are there? Only one sun. Okay. Then they are seeing two kites. One yellow kite, one pink and blue kite. Okay, two kites. Then they are seeing three clouds. 1, 2, 3. Sun is hiding behind the cloud. Then they are seeing 4 birds on top of a branch. They are sitting on top of a branch. Then there are 5 bees buzzing around the flowers to steal the honey, to drink the honey, because they are very hungry, you see. So there are 5 bees near the flower. Then these are the things that Mullai and the goat, baby goat Sweetie, are looking around. At the same time, they have left out certain other animals that which you can see. There are 2 frogs. Yes, 2 green frogs. One looking at the kid, Sweetie, and one looking at the kite. Is it not? And there is a rat. There is a rat with a long tail and sharp teeth and sharp nose. Okay, one rat. Then there is one big tree. Tree is also a noun or naming word. Then there are bushes all around. There is one pond, அந்த குளம், அதுக்கு பேர் என்ன, pond, and there are so many stones around the pond. So all these are naming words: tree, bird, sun, kites, clouds, the blue sky, bees, frog, rat, goat, mullai, you can call her a girl, grass, pond, water, stone, everything in this picture which has a name is a naming word or noun. Okay, got it children? Yes. Next, they also see, now they are seeing the other side of the pond, okay, which they are showing it in the next page. Two squirrels, repeat with me, I'm giving you a pause, I'm giving you a break for you to repeat. Two squirrels, one cat, four frogs. So the frog count is coming here. I thought they left the frog, they have counted the frogs here. Four frogs, and also three rats, five dogs. Wow, all nice animals to play, is it not? So they also see two squirrels, rendu anil, where are they? They are on the top branches of the tree. One cat is sitting near the flower in the bush. Then four frogs sitting on the pebbles or the stones. Three rats. Then five dogs. All these are found in the farm. See, one part of the farm, the next part of the farm. Okay. Now, next page. Mullai walks along the farm. What does she see there? Tick them. This exercise you can do only when you receive your book. Okay, I will teach you now. You listen carefully, and after you receive your book, you can fill up with pencil. Okay, I will send the answer key for all this. It's very easy, you can do it all by yourself. Still, I will send the answer key. Once you receive your Samachi textbook from the office, those who have paid the book fees, you can do this with pencil. Do not use pen. You are in first standard, only pencil. Okay, and kindly buy Apsara dark pencil. Okay, that will be nice and easy for kids to write. கொஞ்சம் அழுத்தினாலே நல்லா டார்க்காக வரும். And a nice eraser. Okay. Okay, now first one is a Mullai walks along the farm. What does she see there? Tick them. Whatever she sees, you must tick. Whatever she did not see, you must put a cross. Wrong. She saw a flower. Yes, she saw a big beautiful daisy flower. Okay, so you have to put a tick near the flower. Then she saw the cat. Yes, she saw the cat, so put a tick in the cat. Then she saw the butterfly, so you have to put a tick in the butterfly. She did not see a peacock anywhere, so you put a wrong inside the circle under peacock. Coming to the tree, yes, there were many trees on the way, so you have to put a tick under the tree. Next column, count and tick. You have to count the number of things and tick the correct answer in the boxes given below. Okay, count பண்ணி correct answer tick பண்ணணும். 1 2 3, I can see 3 apples, so you have to tick THREE 3. FOUR 4 is wrong. How many birds are there? Only one, so ONE 1 you have to tick. TWO2 is wrong. Then you have 2 yellow roses, so you have to do TWO2 tick. THREE 3 will be wrong. Understood? 3 apples, 1 bird, 2 yellow roses. Got it? Then you have the think zone. Circle the odd one out. ஆடு ஒன்னா என்ன, இதில் சேராதது, ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்கும் பேட்டர்ன், இல்லை ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்கும் திங், சேராதது எதுவோ அதை யூ ஹாவ் டு circle. Okay, if you see the first column, All the ladybirds, they are called ladybirds, have many dots, but the first ladybird have only 2 dots. So that is the odd one out, that you have to circle. Okay. Okay, now listen, think and say. Okay, this is an activity for yourself. I will say in my point of view, you can give your own answers in voice note. You need not write answers anywhere. This is just an activity to listen, think and say. So you just listen to me. You think in your point of view. நீங்கள் யோசிச்சு என்ன பதில் சொல்வீங்களோ அதை you can send me a voice note. Do you have a pet? If somebody is asking me this question, do you have a pet? I will say yes, I have pets at home. What is it? Is the second question. I will say I have cats and dog and also fish. Okay, what is its name? I will say my dog's name is Maya, my cats are Bahu, Kabali, and I have not named my fish. Okay. Okay, what does it eat? They all eat rice, milk, bone, egg, etc. That is for the dog and the cats. They also eat dry food. Okay, pet food. Then what the fish will eat? They will eat fish food, dry fish food. Okay, how do you play with it? That's an interesting question. I play with them with ball, with thread, especially the cats, they love to play with the thread. So I play with ring, with frisbee. So there are so many things the pets will enjoy and they will play with you when you train them. Especially they love to play with ball. Okay. So you try to answer these questions on your own if you have a pet at home. Next page. Listen to the sound and repeat. A, T, P, N. Repeat with me. A, T, P, N. Okay. A as in ant, apple, axe. Repeat. Ant, apple, axe. T as in top, tap, tent. Top, tap, tent. Then you have the letter P as in pen, pot, pan. Then you have the letter N as in nut, nest, net. Okay, so these are the 4 letters that you are going to repeat with loud sound, and you are going to also repeat the words aloud. Okay. So A as in ant, apple, axe. T as in top, tap, tent. P as in pen, pot, pan. N as in nut, nest, net. Okay. Next. Blend and say. Now you are going to join 2 letters to make a 2-letter word. A, an. A, n, an. If you say the phonetic sounds, a, in, an. A, t, at. You would have read all this in your UKG. I am repeating them. Repeat with me. A, in, an. Repeat. Yes. A, t, at. P, a, in, pan. P, a, in, pan. T, a, in, tan. T, a, in, tan. T, a, p, tap. T, a, p, tap. N, a, p, nap. N, a, p, nap. P, a, t, pat. P, act, pat. Ant, ant. Ant. Got it? These are the phonetic sounds and these are the blends. Blends na சேர்த்து படிக்கிறது. Okay. Hope you read about the phonetics last year. I will also send you a link on phonetics. Please hear it again so that you will be thorough. Okay. Now you have the word wall again for new words. An, at, pat, ant, tap, nap, tan, pan. Okay, now I'm going to give you a pause. Repeat with me. A-N, an. A-T, at. P-A-T, pat. A-N-T, ant. T-A-P, tap. N-A-P, nap. T-A-N, tan. P-A-N, pan. So these are the new words on the word wall. Try reading it every day. Try blending the letters to form the words on your own and memorize the new spellings also. Whatever spellings are new to you, please memorize the spelling. Okay? That is all for today, children. Let us meet again in the next class. Till then, keep revising the pages that I taught you. Okay? From here, I will be sending all the pages. Okay? Keep revising. Any doubts, you can text or voice note me. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.